Welcome everyone to Black Armor TV. We're here to guide you through the maze of finance, understanding how to conserve money, tactics to let it flourish, and strategies for spending it astutely. Today we're focusing on a very special theme, our mothers. These extraordinary women who gave us life, nurtured us, and have always been our guiding stars. Let's take a moment to appreciate their endless love, sacrifice, and resilience. In recognition of their unparalleled role in our lives, people around the globe celebrate Mother's Day. It's an occasion that dates back to the early 20th century, initiated by Anna Jarvis as a day of personal celebration between mothers and families. And guess what? Here with some fabulous gift ideas that would express your gratitude without emptying your wallet. And there's more. We've got a special tip waiting at the end that is guaranteed to bring a beaming smile on your mom's face. So, irrespective of whether you're a son or a daughter, stay with us for some brilliant ideas. Let's dive right into a variety of present suggestions for boys to surprise their moms. Here are 7 awesome things lads should consider. Kicking off with number 1, tech gadgets. If your mom is a techie, gifting her something like a handy smart light bulb or an efficient toothbrush could be perfect. These not only serve a purpose, but also bring a dash of the latest tech into her daily routines. Second on our list, home decor items. With the right decor, you can breathe new life into any space and reflect mom's personal style. Consider items such as bespoke frames or trendy pickleball sets that can make her living space even more attractive. Moving to the third suggestion, skincare products. For moms who treasure self-care, a top-notch skincare product could be the dream gift. Non-alcoholic sleep aids or facial rollers can deliver a spa-like experience right at home. Next in line, jewelry. Gifting your mother a piece of jewelry is a timeless choice that holds sentimental value. Be it a charming bracelet or a detailed necklace, she can wear it and fondly remember you for years to come. The fifth suggestion revolves around the heart of the home, the kitchen. If your mom enjoys culinary adventures, surprise her with kitchen goodies like indispensable pantry staples or a brand new set of pot holders. This can showcase your gratitude for all her delicious meals she's cooked over the years. Our sixth thought is all about personalized gifts. These are special because they show that you've put thought and effort into the items, like a custom-made calendar with family pictures, a personalized mug with her favorite quote, or even a custom-made piece of jewelry can make her feel truly loved and appreciated. Lastly, number 7, books. If your mom loves to read, a fantastic novel or a self-help book could be the perfect gift. You can even go a step further and get it signed by her favorite author, adding a personalized touch to it. Remember, the most cherished gift is the one that expresses your love and appreciation for your. Next up, we're diving deeper into an extensive range of unique gift ideas that girls can consider for their mothers. Here's what you might want to consider. 1. Beauty products. Imagine skincare products or lavish makeup kits. These are always a safe bet. It's a splendid way to pamper your mom, making her feel beautiful, beautiful inside and out. 2. Cozy blankets. There's something immensely captivating about up in a warm, soft blanket during cool nights. More than a gift, a plush, comforting blanket is a tender hug your mom can wrap herself in whenever she wishes to. 3. Scented candles. These aren't just ordinary candles, they're a complete ambiance. The ideal scent can transport your mom to a lush garden, a sun-soaked beach, or a tranquil forest. 4. Personalized jewelry. A specially engraved or bracelet can hold a lot of sentimental value and serve as a constant reminder of your love for her. Sets. If your mom loves cooking, top-quality cookware sets would be a practical yet thoughtful gift. 6. Handwritten letters. Nothing expresses your feelings better than a heartfelt letter. Pour your sentiments on paper and watch as her eyes light up while reading it. It's an affordable of luxury that can transform her living space into a serene sanctuary. So, go on and gift her that conveys your love and affection. But remember, while these tangible gifts are beautiful, nothing can replace the time spent with her. Dedicate a day, or even an afternoon, to spend some quality with your mom. A simple home-cooked meal, a movie marathon, or a walk in the park can mean any gift. It's an opportunity to create lasting memories, and that in itself is a priceless gift. What truly matters is the thought, affection, and love you put into selecting a gift and dedicating time to her. So go Mom's Day extraordinarily memorable with these gift ideas and the gift of your time. For those who adore the prospect of crafting their own presents, we've got some additional tips for you. Creating your own gift is not just an expression of your love for your mom, but it also showcases your creativity and thoughtfulness. Here are some ideas you can consider. First, try your hand at creating handmade jewelry. A beloved trinket made with love and care becomes a timeless gift that any mom would treasure. Second, a custom-made photo album is always a unique idea. Simply select your most cherished photos, print them, and arrange them in a scrapbook. To make it even more personalized, consider adding captions, stickers, and other decorative items. Third, delve into the world of homemade skincare products. From a rich body scrub to a rejuvenating face mask, these organic and eco-friendly gifts not only pamper, but also demonstrate your concern for your mom's well-being. Fourth, create a wonderful piece of paint, draw, or collage your way to a beautiful artwork that your mom can display proudly in her home. Fifth, sew a beautiful scarf or knit a cozy blanket. If you're skilled in needle, this can be a warm, personal gift that your mom will love. But how about we go a step further? Let's delve into how to create that personalized photo album. Step 1. Choose your favorite photos. They could be from family events, vacations, or simple everyday moments. Step 2. Print the photos. You can use a home printer or a printing. Step 3. Purchase a scrapbook from a craft store. Step 4. Arrange the photos in the scrapbook. You can group them by theme or chronologically. Step 5. Add personal touches. Write captions to describe the moments, stick decorative stickers or doodle around the photos to make it more personalized. So go ahead, unleash your DIY skills and make this Mother's Day extra special for your mom with a gift made by AA. That's all for today's video, folks. We've embarked on a journey of exploring wonderful gift ideas for moms, courtesy of both sons and daughters. Our treasure trove unveiled an array of presents: a practical toothbrush, a fashionable pickleball set, a snuggly blanket, and a personalized calendar. And for our ardent DIY enthusiasts, we've shared some creative gift-making ideas. Above all, remember, it's the thought and personal touch that counts the most in a gift. Now, we're turning the spotlight on you. We'd love for you to jump into the comments section and share your unique gift ideas or your personal experiences of gifting your mom. Let's keep this conversation going and continue to inspire each other. Before we say goodbye, here's a sneak peek of what to expect in our next video. We promise it's something you wouldn't want to miss. Until then, don't forget to drop your thoughts or inquiries about business. Your input matters to us and we're all ears.